sobrang lamig. Nalalamig yung kamay ko, hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Ganito pala talaga yung feeling. Sobrang bilis ng heartbeat. Tapos parang gusto mo lahat inaasikaso mo kasi syempre gusto mo very perfect yung day na to. So, tignan natin kung ano mangyari. Si Jam nakaupo na doon. Tapos sana hindi niya ako mahalata. Let's go! Let's do this!
Ay, kami yung friends ni Jam and Mitch. Ngihintay namin yung mangyayari mamaya.
Ako po si Nino Campos, kaibigan ng Jamich. Isa po ako sa mga akontsaba dun.
Gulat lang kasi, first of all, kakaiba, babae magpo-propose.
I want you to watch this video because there are two people who attend our 1 o'clock session who have made an impact in social media. Their names are John and Mitch.
We made a lot of videos together, but I won't get tired of doing more again and again with you. As the world became witness of our love story, on this special day and in this special place, I have something important to tell you.
Sorry, I'm very emotional right now. Hi, Jam. Happy anniversary. We are here at the happiest place on earth. With the happiest people on earth. I hope I can make you the happiest man on earth. Because you can make me the happiest woman on earth by saying yes. Shall we give it for Hernandez and Rostan? Will you be my happily ever after? Sobrang nakakabit pala talaga yung purpose. Anong answer mo?
Nakatigaw mo, bro. Siyempre, bakit ba? Hindi ko alam. So, grabe. Sa mga hindi pa nakakalam, may sakit po kasi ako eh. May cancer po ako. Wala pong ginawa yung girlfriend ko, nialagaan ako 24/7. Lagi siya nasa tabi ko. Sabi ko pag gumaling ako, ako naman mag-aalaga sa kanya habang buhay. Grabe naman. Grabe kang ginawa.
sa lahat. Thank you. Thank you, brother ko. Thank you, Marco. Thank you, the feast. Thank you, Lord. Number one kayo, Lord. Thank you. Nakakagulat ang kapit. Thank you. I love you so much. Thank you so much.
Brothers and sisters, Jan and Mitch forever. Thank you guys. Thank you so much for all your support.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mitch.
Successful naman kasi sabi ni Jam, wala daw siyang nahalatang kahit ano na from the preparations. Doon niya lang nalaman nung nag-play daw yung video, naisip pa daw niya na wow, ang bait naman ni Brother Bo, parang may tribute pa for us. Tapos nagtaka siya, ba't parang ang haba na, tapos narinig niya yung boses ko na dun sa voice-over, tapos dun niya daw nalaman na surprise yon ganun. Tapos before ako lumabas, pagdating namin dito, sobrang, ang lamig ng kamay ko, sobrang kabado ako, hindi ko alam yung gagawin. Ganun pala talaga feeling pag magpo-propose ka na. Tapos parang medyo weird kasi syempre, babae, usually lalaki yung magpo-propose pag ganun. Tapos ayun, happy naman si Jam, tapos iyak siya ng iyak nun. Sobrang kakaiba yung experience, parang blurry lang lahat, hindi ko as in maaalala yung details, lahat ng details, pero sobrang thankful ako na andyan po yung Viva family ko and andyan po yung The Feast family ko para tulungan ako sa very special day na to. And ayun, I'm engaged!
Will you marry me? I love you so much.